Exiting kiosk mode on an Android device typically involves a multi-tap method. Rapidly tap the screen 10 times within 5 seconds. This often triggers a prompt for a kiosk exit passcode. This passcode is usually found in the Mobile Device Management MDM portal, where the kiosk mode was set up. But it might be a custom code. Alternatively, if the status bar is accessible and kiosk exit is allowed while an app is open, rapidly tapping the top left area of the screen 10 times might work. For devices with an active internet connection, disabling kiosk mode directly through the MDM portal is another option, usually found under a device's management settings. Choosing to remove the kiosk policy from the device within the MDM portal provides a permanent solution. If you can access the device's settings menu, there might be an option to disable kiosk mode or manage restrictions, but this depends on the kiosk configuration. Remember, the exact steps may vary based on your specific device and kiosk setup. Consult the kiosk apps or MDM solutions documentations for detailed instructions if needed.